Okay guys, welcome to Astro Tech GH. If you are in Ghana or Nigeria or any affected African country where your internet connection is not stable, this video is for you. In this video, I will be showing you a trick or step-by-step way on how to resolve this issue. I'll be showing you step-by-step way on how to get 10 times internet speed on your mobile phone. If today is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you get notified. And if you are an existing subscriber, you are welcome. So without wasting much of your time, let's divert into the video. Open your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, hit on the search bar, then search for XVPN. XVPN. Then click on search for XVPN. Here is the okay. So this is the application we are looking for. Just click on download to download this application on your mobile device. After that, come back and open the XVPN application. Okay, so after opening the XVPN application, click on auto. Here, click on auto, then select UDP. After selecting the UDP, the VPN itself will start to connect. Wait for it to connect. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, our XVPN has been connected. Now you can enjoy 10 times faster internet speed without any problem or issue. So let's try it and see. Let's try it on TikTok.
There is a country that has only 27 people. Wait, let me show you.
So as you can see, it is working very perfectly.
Bank shareholders fund was $4 billion from $4 million to $4 billion.
Let's try Google and see something. Let's search YouTube. So as you can see, it is really working very fast. Okay, as you can see, it is really working. It is really working. That is how to get 10 times internet speed on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you get notified. See you in my next video. Thank you.